Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Jamil Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Hotia ACSU High School. Welcome to each and everybody to the online class organized by Hotia ACSU High School. My dear students, today I would like to discuss about an important topic, and that is transformation of sentence. Among transformation of sentence there are many parts. Among them I will discuss today about assertive to imperative sentence. My dear students, without wasting any more time, let's get it started. Dear students, I am writing an example here. You should do the work properly. You should do the work properly. I am also writing another example. You are requested to open the door. Dear students, notice the sentence. You should do the work properly and you are requested to open the door. Here both the sentence starts with second person, I mean you. You should keep it in mind that if assertive sentence start with you and there is auxiliary verb should, then we have to deduct you and auxiliary verb should. Then we have to write from verb to others. So the imperative sentence will be do the work properly. So imperative sentence will be do the work properly. Notice the sentence, my dear students. Here we have deducted you and auxiliary verb should. Then the rules is if there is you and auxiliary verb in assertive sentence, then you and auxiliary verb will be deducted to turn the sentence imperative one. And the next one have also started with you and are requested. There's a rule turning into imperative sentence, and that is if there you are requested. If there is you are requested in assertive sentence, then the sentence will be from main verb to others. Main verb to others. Then the sentence will be open the door. Open the door. We have to deduct you are requested to. So the rules is if assertive sentence starts with you are requested to, then you are requested to will be removed to turn imperative one. Next one, if the sentence are in negative mode, something like that, you should not waste your time. You should not waste your time. If assertive sentence is in negative form, then imperative sentence will start with don't. Imperative sentence will start with don't. Then the structure will be like that: don't plus main verb plus rest of the sentence. don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. My dear students, notice the sentence. If assertive sentence in negative mode, then we have to start with imperative sentence with don't. We have to deduct here you plus auxiliary verb plus not. We have to deduct here you, auxiliary verb and not. Similarly, if the sentence start with if there is never in assertive sentence, you should never tell a lie. If there is never in assertive sentence, then imperative sentence will start with never. Imperative sentence start with never, then the sentence will be never tell a lie. Here we have to deduct you and auxiliary verb should. My dear students, I am writing another example, and that is you are not requested. You are not requested to go there. You are not requested to go there. Here, notice the sentence. The sentence also starts with subject you, and the sentence is in negative mode. Negative mode. So, imperative sentence will start with don't. So, the sentence, imperative sentence will be don't go there. Don't go there. Dear students, in sum up, we can say that if assertive sentence starts with you, then we have to deduct you for turning imperative one, and assertive sentence starts with you and auxiliary verb, then you and auxiliary verb will be removed for turning imperative sentence, and assertive sentence which starts with you are requested, then you are requested will be deducted, and we have to write next part of the sentence for turning imperative one. My dear students, and the question is, if assertive sentence starts with without you, I mean other person, first person or third person. If assertive sentence starts with first person or third person, then what will be the structure of turning imperative one? I am writing some example. I can do the work. I can do the work. We should respect our elders. Dear students, notice this sentence. Both of the sentence have started with first person, I and we. Then the structure of imperative sentence will be like that. I am writing the structure of imperative sentence. Structure of imperative sentence. At first we have to write let, then we have to write objective form of subject. Objective form of subject. Then we have to write main verb. Main verb and rest of the sentence. Rest of the sentence. Here notice we have to deduct auxiliary verb. We have to deduct auxiliary verb. Then imperative sentence will be, at first I am writing let, then objective form of subject I will be me. Here can is auxiliary verb and do is main verb. We have to write here do the work. And the second one will be let objective form of subject we is us. Then I am writing here us and auxiliary verb should will be deduct. Auxiliary verb should will be deducted. Let us, then I will write main verb and rest of the sentence. Elders. My dear students, if you should keep it in mind that if assertive sentence starts with first person or second person, then the structure of imperative sentence will be like that. At first we have to write let, then we have to write objective form of subject, then we have to write main verb and rest of the sentence. Here notice my dear students, auxiliary verb will be removed. Auxiliary verb will be removed. My dear students, this is the rules of assertive to imperative sentence, and that is the most important according to your new syllabus published by Dhaka board. Okay, no more today. We will meet another day with another topic. Be safe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.